Down to Pikes Place in downtown Seattle by the Waterfront. What do you think? Next.
T-Mobile Park, where the Seattle Mariners play, and Lumen Field, where the Seattle Seahawks and the Seattle Sounders play. Seattle Waterfront, and of course world-famous Pikes Place Market, where fish are known to fly 15 to 20 feet in the air. Seattle is also home to many familiar companies like Microsoft, Boeing, Nordstrom, Amazon, Costco, and of course Starbucks. Now the Space Needle has two internal stairwells consisting of 848 stairs.